Want a quick and easy way to share, organize, back up and restore your Illustrator assets amongst teams? Astute Manager Pro helps you and your team back up and restore your Adobe Illustrator setup with speed and security. Back up your favorite brushes, swatches, shortcuts, templates, and more. Keep your workspace just how you like it and never lose control of Illustrator. Share, sync, update, and manage your digital creative assets amongst teams. Instantly back up your settings with one click. Or drag and drop your files to upload. It installs assets directly into Illustrator, making them available in every new document. Astute Manager Pro works with different Illustrator versions and languages on both Mac OS and Windows. Share creative assets across one or more teams. Take granular control over team and asset access. Get started for free with plenty of storage. Upgrade when you need additional space. When you're ready for more, it's easy to expand your team's functionality. Share, organize, back up, and restore your Illustrator assets with ease, speed, and security. Protect your creative workflow with Astute Manager Pro. Start your free trial right now.